Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide conversations on Messenger app. So let's start. First open the Messenger app. Now long press on the conversation you want to hide. Now tap on Archive and the conversation will be hidden from your Messenger feed. Now if you tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for the conversation, you'll see all your messages in that conversation. And if you send message or reply to the conversation, it will show up on your Messenger feed again. And that's how you can hide conversations in the Messenger app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.